this technical trend work in Pakistan or not. I know many of you technicians will be angry on me to ask this question whether it works or not, but this is particularly to address those who are non-technicals. This is just a simple trend line where we have connected two peaks back from 90s and the recent high that we made in 2003 and 2004. And what we do normally when we connect two points, we get a trend, and that trend actually tells you whether this slope will exist and whether this slope line will be your resistance line or the support line in future or not. This is a very basic technical analysis thing. So what I did, I just connected 2 points, 2 highs, one high from the 1993 high market and now from the 2005. So in order to connect 2 points, you get the slope and the trend, whether this trend will exist for your market or not. So I have connected two dots, the one high from the 90s market and from the 2000, and you see what happens. The same trend line is actually making the highs, right? And every time market is hitting the high, we got the correction. You see, we have connected two dots, and by connecting two dots, we are getting a trend line, and that trend line tells you this is a potential resistance line for the market. So by connecting this, what we are getting? We are getting the peaks of 2008. See, the market touched the same high in 2008 and then crashed. But the story is not over here. If we go further, we'll see the same trend line is hitting the 2017's high. You see, the 53,000 level is actually the level where the market just hit this trend line. And what happened eventually? See, the market crashed again. So this is just a brief relevance of technical analysis in Pakistani market, just a single trend line. And we connected two highs and we got all those peaks in the market that we got.